Rekha Gupta inaugurates 18 Namo Oxygen Parks on World Environment Day. On the occasion of World Environment Day, Delhi's Chief Minister Rekha Gupta inaugurated 18 Namo Oxygen Parks at Maidan Garhi, Delhi, marking major step toward strengthening urban greenery and environmental awareness in the national capital. The initiative aims to improve green cover, promote pollution control, encourage community participation and support long-term environmental sustainability in Delhi. During the event, the Chief Minister also planted a sapling and launched a broader campaign focused on tree plantation and environmental conservation. What is the Namo Oxygen Park Initiative? The Namo Oxygen Park Initiative has been launched to expand green spaces across Delhi and create environmentally sustainable public areas. The project focuses on increasing urban green cover, raising awareness about pollution control, encouraging community participation, supporting ecological balance, improving air quality. The initiative forms part of Delhi's broader environmental improvement strategy. Launch event at Maidan Garhi. The launch ceremony was held at Maidan Garhi, where Chief Minister Rekha Gupta inaugurated all 18 Namo 1 parks. The event was attended by Union Environment Minister Bhupendra Yadav, Delhi Environment Minister Manjinder Singh Sirsa, senior government official, local community representatives. As part of the program, leaders participated in plantation activity. Delhi target plantation of 15 lakh trees and saplings. During the event, Chief Minister Rekha Gupta announced that Delhi has set a target of planting 15 lakh trees and saplings during the year. According to the government, plantation activities have already begun across multiple locations. The objective is to increase green density, improve environmental quality, strengthen climate resilience, build public participation in conservation. This initiative aligns with broader urban sustainability goals. Proposal for local caretaking committees to ensure long-term maintenance of the oxygen parks. The Chief Minister proposed forming local caretaking committees for each park. According to the proposal, residents will participate in maintenance, communities will support watering and protection, local ownership will strengthen sustainability efforts. The idea is to encourage continuous care rather than one-time plantation drives. Ek Peड़ Maa Ke Naam campaign. During the program, CM Rekha Gupta encouraged citizens to participate in the Ek Peड़ Maa Ke Naam campaign launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The campaign encourages individuals to plant trees as a symbolic tribute to mothers while contributing to the environmental conservation. The Chief Minister highlighted that active public participation can significantly strengthen Delhi's green future. Vision for 100 oxygen parks across Delhi. In a public message shared after the event, CM Rekha Gupta announced that Delhi is moving toward an ambitious target of developing 100 oxygen parks across the city. The plan includes the expansion of plantation drives, identification of plantation location, distribution of saplings, citizen participation program. The initiative reflects Delhi's long-term environmental goals. PM Narendra Modi message on World Environment Day. PM Narendra Modi also extended greetings on the World Environment